Jojo Lapa, Namaste and good morning everyone. I am Smitra Moharjan, an English teacher of Mangal Secondary School, Kirtipur, Ward number 10. Today, I am speaking on this Newa FM 106.6 MHz radio education program conducted by Kirtipur Municipality, present by Newa FM Anak Media for Nepal Bhasha Academy. Now, I am here teaching English for class 7. Very warm welcome to grade 7. How are you? Me too fine. Okay students, do you remember our previous lesson? Yes. We discuss on biography of Dr. Ram Baran Yadav. Dear students, today we will discuss on festival in Nepal. Do you remember today's festival? Yes, today is Janai Purnima or Raksha Bandhan, or it is also known as Kwati Puni. Then tomorrow, Gai Jatra. Because of COVID-19, government has suggested us not to celebrate festival this year, so that we are not gathering in festival like Gai Jatra, Bag Bhairav Jatra, Krishna Jatra. Turn to the page number 60. Unit 7 Festivals in Nepal. Dear students, Nepal is a multicultural, multi-ethnic, multi-language, multi-religious country. There are many kinds of festival people celebrate in our country. Look at the picture below and talk with your friends. The people in the picture are doing. Yes. Which is the picture? What are the people doing? Yes, it is Devda dance. It is Devda dance. It is one type of festival which is celebrated in far western region of Nepal. Yes, Devda dance is celebrated in far western region of Nepal. Okay, make a list of the festival that you celebrate in your community. We celebrate different festival in a whole year. Now, you have to make a list of the festival which is celebrated in your community. Okay, dear student, in my community, we also celebrate different festival. Like today is Janai Purnima. It is also known as Kwati Puni. Yes, in our home, we cook Kwati and we wear Janai. Do you wear Janai? Do you eat Kwati? Yes, it is very tasty to eat. Now tomorrow, Gai Jatra. Yes, Gai Jatra, which is not celebrate tomorrow. Now next, Teej, Buddha Jayanti, Indra Jatra, Holi, Kode Jatra, Ram Navami, Dasai, Tihar. There are other so many festivals. Okay, now turn to the page number 61. Okay, have you? Okay, what is in page number 61? Yes, let's learn these words. Learn the words that appear in the passage below. Now, The word celebrate. 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 Celebrate means to show that a day or an event is important by doing something special. Yes, today we celebrate Janai Purnima. Therefore, today is a special day for us. Now, next word, raising fund. Raising fund. RAISING, raising FUND, fund. Collecting certain amount of money for a particular purpose. Once again, I will repeat. Raising fund. RAISING, raising FUND, fund. Raising fund means collecting certain amount of money for a particular purpose. Now the next word, theme. THEME, theme. Theme, the subject or main idea. Theme, the subject or main idea. Now the next word, promise. PROMISE, promise. PROMISE, promise means to tell someone that you will definitely do something. To tell someone that you will definitely do something. Now the next word, UNITED, united. United means being together as a unit. United means being together as a unit. Youngster. YOUNGSTERS, youngsters. YOUNGSTERS, youngster. Do you know the meaning? Yes, young people. Young people. Now the next word, curious. CURIOUS, curious. CURIOUS, curious. Curious means desire to know about something. Desire to know something about something. Now the last word, dance number. DANCE, dance. NUMBER, number. Dance number. A song to which you can dance. That means a song to which you can dance. Now let's read how some people celebrate Deusi in Nepal. Deusi. Do you play Deusi? When do you play Deusi? Yes, everybody play Deusi. Yes. When do we play Deusi? In Tihar. Do you like to play Deusi? Yes, everybody like to play Deusi. Now it is about Deusi. Look at your book. Okay, I will read. You look and listen carefully. Okay. Mom, can I go to play Deusi with my friends? Asked the little boy. His mother was not happy with the idea, but it was time of Tihar festival. Playing Deusi was an important part of celebrating Tihar. Who will be with you? She asked. She wondered if he will be safe with friends. I will be with my friends from school. Even our teachers will be there. We are raising fund for the school library, he replied. His mother was happy to hear that. Raising money for the library was a good idea. It wasn't like in the previous year. The youngster just went for a picnic with the money that they raised. What are you going to do there? She asked again. Now she was more curious in what the boys were doing. Oh, we have practiced some songs and dance numbers. Of course, there will be the Deusi song as well. The theme this year is unity. We shall be singing and dancing to show how important is it to be unity. We will also give some message during this Deusi. The main message is for people from different religion. We want all people to celebrate each other festival. At least be a plan of it and understand it. Now that sounds nice. Do you think everyone will agree? The mother asked. I don't know about other, but few friends from class 7 have made a promise. We shall be going to each other's home during major festivals. We shall enjoy Buddha Purnima, Eid, Ubauli, Losar, Christmas, Tihar, Magi, among other festivals. Our teacher says that this will us to understand more about different cultures of Nepal. This will also help us to be more united. Okay, it's our short commercial break.
Watercity Neva FM 86.4 Sunina Dibdu Neva FM 86.4 Neva Judagu Gaurav Yanajisa.
Okay, welcome back to our class. I have read the text which is about Deusi. Why the boy is going to play Deusi? We know that playing Deusi is very important. The mother also has give a promise to play Deusi, because from playing Deusi, the boys has to raise money to make a school library. Therefore, it is good for the school also. Then the mother give him a promise. Now let's move to our exercise. Now fill in the correct words from the text. The boy wanted to go to play that with his friends. Okay, now which word appropriate there? The boys wanted to go to play with his friend. To play Deusi. Yes, Deusi. Now the second word. Last year, the youngsters spent the Deusi money on picnic. Last year, the youngsters spent the Deusi money on picnic. Now, my dear students, look at number C. This year, they want to raise fund for the school library. This year, they want to raise fund for the school library. Now, next number, The theme of this year's Deusi is unity. Yes, unity. Next number, the students of grade agreed to celebrate major festivals. Yes, festivals. The students of grade 7 have agreed to celebrate major festivals. Now the last number, the mother was to know what the grade 7 students were doing. The mother was curious to know that what the grade 7 students were doing. Okay, now after reading this, there are two questions. What did the little boy ask his mother? What did the little boy ask his mother? The little boy asked his mother to go to play. Go to play home? No, go to play Deusi. The little boy asked his mother to go play Deusi with his friends. What are different people doing in the picture? What are different people doing in the picture? Okay, look at the picture. What are the people doing there? Some are playing music, some are singing. Yes, what are they doing? They are playing Deusi. When do we play Deusi? We play Deusi in Tihar. Do you like to play Deusi? Yes, you like to play Deusi. Now, number C. Answer this question. Answer this question. Listen carefully, my dear students. Then you will write the answer easily. Okay? Question number A. Who can? Anyone? Okay. What is the theme of this year's Deusi? What is the theme of this year's Deusi? Unity is the theme of this year's Deusi. Yes, unity is the theme of this year's Deusi. Number B. Did the mother allow the boy to go for Deusi? Did the mother allow the boy to go for Deusi? Yes, the mother allowed the boy to go for Deusi because playing Deusi from raising money and to make a school library. Therefore, the mother allowed to go to play Deusi. How did the youngster spend the Deusi money in the previous years? How did the youngster spend Deusi money in the previous year? The youngster spent the Deusi money to go for picnic. The youngster spent the Deusi money go for the picnic. Okay, number D. Why do the students want to play Deusi this year? Why do the students want to play Deusi this year? Why do they want to play Deusi this year? The student wanted to play Deusi this year for raising fund for the school library. What major festival do the student want to celebrate from this year? What major festivals do the student want to celebrate from this year? Okay. What major festival do the student want to celebrate from this year? They celebrate each and all festival from different culture. Okay, students, I hope you can write this question answer easily. Now, number 4, page number 64. Turn to the page number 64. Number 4. This is also fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the list below. Here are the words given below. Promise, youngster, united, curious, celebrate. Here are 5 words and 5 blanks also. I hope you can do it easily. Number A. Look at number A. We can do so many things in the community if we all are together. Which one is? Which one is? Okay. Yes. United. United together. We can do so many things in the community if we all are united together. If we united together, we can do each and everything in our community. Okay. We each other festival to have peace in the community. We respect and which one is? Okay, choose. Celebrate. Celebrate. Celebrate each other's festival to have peace in the community. Number C. The youngster. Number C. The youngster enjoy. Who is youngster? Enjoy music and dance. You also enjoy music and dance, not only youngster. Yes, boys and girls. The youngster enjoy music and dance. Number D. Our head was to know what we plan to do next month. Our head teacher was curious to know what we plan to do next month. Now the last one. My father has made a which one is left? Promise. Yes, promise. My father has made a promise to buy me a new bag if I pass the exam. Okay, this much for today. I hope you enjoyed today's class. I would like to thanks to my technician friend Yunus Sanke for his full support. Likewise, I would like to thank my school principal Mr. Loklal Maharjan, the principal of Jan Seva School Mr. Devraj Maharjan, Mr. Juju Maharjan from Kirtipur Municipality Radio Education Program for giving me this golden opportunity. Finally, I would like to thank Kirtipur Municipality and Neva FM 106.6 MHz Anak Media. Stay home, be healthy and safe. Happy Janai Purnima and Gai Jatra. Bye bye.